Hello again, everyone. This is Joe Henches with Beyond the Chart, and this is stock chart analysis update video. We're going to look at the solar stocks today: SolarCity, First Solar, and JinkoSolar. So we're going to start off here with SolarCity. It looks like it has started to roll back over again. You get the 10 crossing below the 21. You had a little bit of this, like a little bit of zigzag ABC pullback in here, and now it looks like it's coming back down. If that is the case, which it looks like that is the case, it would, probably try to test this support in here, which came in at the lows from over here, which is, where is that? That low is 45.91. Closed yesterday 50.84. All right, so let's back out of this a little bit. So we're in corrective mode here, okay? So we had one big primary move up. Now we're in some kind of corrective mode to correct that move, and it looks complex, as I'm seeing in all the solar stocks. So this looks like my best take on it is a WXY, and honestly, what is Y doing? I'm not sure. It could be an A, B, C, like a zigzag, which is, it's not unusual to have a zigzag combined with a zigzag, or, a flat and a zigzag. So right now, my best estimate is to say that Y should equal W. That's the way this works many times. So you come down here to the bottom of W, project back, go back to the end of X, start a Y, and my best estimate is Y is going to be 37. So if this continues to come down, especially if it breaks the support, my next target on this is going to be 37. So that's what I'll be watching for. Don't have any specific play on this right now, although I am now that I look at this, I'm kind of wondering about puts on here. I'll have to look at that after I get off the video. All right, the next one is First Solar. First Solar is doing a similar type thing, although I'm not real clear on what this whole maneuver was at the top. It looks like some kind of big diagonal pattern. Right now it came to, it's really collapsed out of this flag. I mean, this is a classic flag. I really wanted to get in on this flag, and earnings came out, I believe, the night before here, like I think it was the 6th or something, or maybe the morning of the 7th. And unfortunately, we got a couple closes below the 10, but I didn't really get a chance to get in here, and it gapped way down. And I don't like jumping in a lot on big gaps, although it would have worked out in this case if you would have got in at the opening. But, it's always, 20/20 hindsight. So, but anyway, this looks like a flag. And, where's the start of the flagpole? I don't know. I mean, you could say up here at 67 down to 50, that's 17 points. You take that from here. 17 points from, say, 60, 50, 17 from 60 would be 43. So that would mean we have a little bit more to go. And if this breaks this, I mean, where's the next support? The next support would be maybe down in here, 45, or getting into the middle of this mix would put you in the lower 40s. So 43 might be a reasonable target based on, a flagpole equal to this. So if it breaks this low, that would be my next estimate as to where it's going to go. JinkoSolar, similar type thing, although Jinko is really stretched out to this on a sideways type move. Now I think this one is I think we're still forming 5, either primary or intermediate waves up. I think this is a 4th wave. Okay, so we're going sideways because number 2 is a sharp pullback. So number 4 is a complex sideways, which is what you would expect. And so now, again, we do the WXY type thing because we got a complex. So we come back here to the beginning of W, go to the end of W, and come up here to up here, and actually I may have had this already on the screen, didn't even realize. Okay, so 100%, yeah, I did, that's what I was doing. So 100%, so Y will equal W right here at 19. So that would be my estimate. It's rolled over, it's breaking down. My next target would be that potentially we could see a bottom here at 19. What about support? Yeah, it's realistic. I mean, right here, the low was 1906, you know, coming in right in here. So I think that's a reasonable next target. We'd look for support to come in, and maybe it completes the corrective action on this stock. We'll have to watch and see. Sometimes they go on further than 100%. I mean, there is no rule that says they have to equal 100%. This is just an estimate on our part. So, all right, that's it for the three stocks, solar stocks, SolarCity, First Solar, and JinkoSolar. Tomorrow I'll be back with the weekend market update, and we'll go from there. Everyone have a great Friday. This has been Joe for Beyond the Chart.